Hello and welcome to M-tel again. Right, today I'm back on the RS Turbo. Basically I'm removing this front panel because someone has fitted an aftermarket front panel on. It's basically welded it on skew width. So what they've done is they've welded it 10mm to one side. So there's no point in me trying to correct it, I'm just going to cut it off. New panels are only 60 quid. Now what I've done is I've marked here with red pen where the spot welds are. Come down here, round here, up here, around this point here, down and then round here. So what we're going to do is just going to cut through there, slice that off, through there, take the top off, and then basically trim out this bottom section, leave just the bits with the spot welds on, and then basically cut it all back, peel it all off, and take the front panel off. So that's what we're doing today. Right. Now, I've got my old disc cutter for this. I'm using a micro blade, so as you can see there how thick it is. It's like 1mm thick. These blades are really good. You can get them off the internet, get them from Euro car parts. They're literally about 90p a disc, and they literally go through metal like a knife through butter. So that's what you want. Covered up the air filter, plug my pipes up, so I'm ready to rock and roll. So here we go. Pick this off. There we go. Simple as. That's the bulk of the panel removed. Now obviously we've got the bits that are left. The bits are snag. Just got to be chipped away and nibbled out. The best way of doing this, just a little bit at a time. We're just going to wind off what we don't need and pick out the main bulk. down removed, skinned all the joints, so ready to take a panel. This does need a bit of work. Like around here there's been a slight impact and this is a bit creased, so that it needs straightening up. And then we've got a bit of corrosion down here, a bit of corrosion up here, which needs to be sorted, so these two top corners need to be cut out and repaired. And then basically the joints need to be squared up. Looks like sometime in its life it's had a little bit of an impact on this side, so that needs to be reshaped into Wastane. But now, obviously, she's ready pretty much to take the new front panel. Okay. Right. New front panel. On there and on there, like that. Boom. We need to do a bit of panel work before we put her on. This panel needs a bit of work as well. Unfortunately, with these panels, there's no real originals anymore. So, and most of the stuff that you get doesn't fit very well and needs a lot of work. So, this one will need a bit of TLC to make it fit properly, which I'll have to do. It's no problem. But yeah, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. That's how to remove a front panel from an Escort RS Turbo. Pretty much you can adapt that on pretty much any car as well. Just go slow, slowly trim it out bit by bit until you've got it off. And the art with this is take time, literally. Take as long as you need, just nibble away at it. The more effort and time you put into it, the better the job will be at the end. Like I've done it quite quick, but I've removed loads of front panels off of motors. And it's just practice makes perfect at the end of the day. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. And there you go. And please like and subscribe and share my videos about. Thank you very much.